Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're in the bathroom and it's super echoey today. Don't know why, but I'll probably not even talk and I'll just do a voiceover of this video because it is a little loud in here. But we're back with a video. I'm doing a hair video, so let's get into it. Today I have a U-part wig from West Kids Hair. So we're just gonna get into it because it's hanging on this door here. So this is our unit today. It is a kinky straight U-part wig. You guys know I love for some kinky texture hair, and my hair is like jet black. I think it's a little darker than this hair, but we'll see. We're gonna make it work. So yeah, I have a 24-inch kinky straight U-part, and let's try it on actually. I'm thinking I'm gonna curl this hair because I have been so obsessed with like blown out hair. Ooh, don't pull that. There's a clip right there. I've been really obsessed with like blown out hair, so like really big fluffy curls. So either I'm gonna straighten this so it can be nice and sleek like my hair, or I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna curl it. I don't know yet, but it's pretty long. Yeah, this is what the unit looks like on. This is the texture. I'm gonna straighten a piece really quickly so we can see if this actually gets like as straight as we like. So my flat iron is on 450 degrees, of course. So yeah, this is like one baby pass, and we get straight. We get straight. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, really. If I'm gonna curl it or straighten it, but I do know that I don't know how to braid, so I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, of course. We're gonna leave this middle out, and then I'm gonna leave my sides out, you know, so no tracks are seen. But I'm gonna just put this. There's this little piece of material on this. We're just gonna cut that off because we don't need it. We're keeping the wig. I'm also gonna adjust this. This does have combs all the way around and then adjustable strap. So we are gonna attach the combs to our hair so we can make sure our hair goes nowhere. So I'm just adjusting the strap in the back. Cool enough. And this is our leave out here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. A low ponytail, because since this hair is so full, it really doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna stick it in a low ponytail like this, and I'm gonna take my edges out. I do feel like if you wear this long term, get like an anchor braid, because over time this will definitely start to irritate you and pull if like your wig doesn't fit the best. Alright, so this is what it looks like on the edges. Are cute, real natural. a little silky because I've straightened my hair already. And then, you know, this is a lot of hair. This is 200% density and it is thick. Okay, I'm actually going to take it off and curl it, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, we're going to curl this hair. Look, I used a really big barrel to curl the hair, so I straightened like some pieces and then I curled it. But look at that blend. You can't tell me this is not my hair. So all I'm doing is, you know, blending my hair in with this U part. It's straightened really nicely, and as you can see, my hair literally blends right in. I just gotta, like, you know, I just gotta tweak it a little bit, which you'll see me do. And I'm just gonna cut a little baby layer in the front just so it's not like straight up and down. Give it a little bye-bye. So that's all we're doing. I wanted that like cute like 90s blowout kind of look, not anything like super sleek, just, you know, nice and natural. And I'm loving the way this blend. At first I thought my hair was a little too dark, but as you can see, so yeah, I'm just straightening out those kinks that I had at the top from it being twisted up. And you guys, hello, this a U part? Is this a U part or is this my hair? And it's really long. As you can see, this is 24 inches and the hair is super full, you guys. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like up in like a little clamp, and this is cute. I don't even feel like I'm wearing like a U-part. I feel like I'm wearing like a sew-in or a quick weave. It's just so cute and so easy, and like, who's gonna know? Who is gonna know? Absolutely nobody. So yeah, I have a link for West Kiss Hair down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.